Hey folks, so today we're going to cover the basics of editing using Pictory. It's an online AI tool that allows text to be converted into video clips. So without further ado, let's go ahead and click script to video right over here. For the purposes of the video, let's just go with moon right over here as our topic because it's easy to, just copy paste, basically just general information right over here. I just want to show you guys how you can edit these things. This block of text is going to be divided into different video clips called scenes. Now there's a highlight option right over here in which you can choose to highlight certain keywords and the AI is going to prioritize finding those specific scenes. Once you're done highlighting the things that you want on your video, you can click proceed right over here and it's going to bring us to the text overlay templates where we can choose different color schemes. For the purpose of this video, since we're talking about the moon, let's just go ahead and click on subtitle fade right over here as I think the color scheme matches it. You can choose the aspect ratio again. For YouTube videos, 16:9 is the ideal aspect ratio. Alright, once everything is compiled right over here, as you can see, this is one thing that I wasn't able to really tackle in the previous video as I was just giving a general rundown of the different features of Pictory. So to actually edit the video, as you can see right over here, a lot of the scenes or video clips aren't really in sync with what we want. So right over here, if you go to visuals, you can manually type. So since we're talking about the moon, let's just go for like moon video clips, stock videos. And over here, since as you can see, the text is actually overlapping the entire images. So you can actually scale that down. We can adjust the width as well as if you just highlight all of the text right over here, you can even edit its text size. So let's make it a little smaller just so that it doesn't cover up the entire image. Because we want to, a lot of people prefer more of like a visual background. So I think this is okay right over here. So we just fixed an image right over here. We'll look for something a little more HD. So as you can see, you can play around. Every single scene right over here can be edited. So we'll just replace some of the more generic cartoonish images with, something a little more HD and visually appealing. All right, orbiting Earth. See, so this one right over here, I feel like it's more of a perfect match than the previous scene that was being automatically used. Now, Pictory AI does try to figure out and make it as close to it as possible, but it's not 100% accurate, so that's why sometimes we have to manually change the images ourselves. Know that you can add transitions to your video, and if you hover over these templates, you can get a preview of what each transition looks like, and if you find something that suits your video, click on it to apply the transition. Now, you can manually add transitions between scenes, or if you click on this, you can apply one transition to your entire video for consistency. Now, hovering over to the audio tab right over here, you can integrate background music from the soundtrack list right over here, and by clicking on the play button, you can get a preview of what each music sounds like. Now, if you found something that suits your video, click on the apply button to integrate that specific soundtrack. Now you can also add voiceovers into your video by either selecting from these AI generated presets right over here to add voiceovers to your text overlay, or you can go and upload your own. Hovering over into the branding tab, you can also click on scene right over here to add your own logo into the video. Now, once you've uploaded the logo, you can edit its position as well as the logo size and opacity. So once you're done with it, click generate video and it should generate the video for you. So hope you guys enjoyed. And one last thing, you can find both the link to the official Pictory website in the video description below, along with any ongoing discount. You'll also find a link to a list of all the best AI video editing softwares that we've covered. Thanks for watching.